Cutting thick metals can take a good amount of effort. Having a tool to quickly and easily cut and trim your creations can save you a lot of time and work. In this tool demo, learn to use our economy bench shear and see how this powerful little tool can help you cut through your metals effortlessly. Our economy bench shear is a great tool for quickly and accurately cutting through thicker gauge metals. The 6-inch cutting blades are made from high-temper carbon steel and can cut non-ferrous metals up to 10 gauge. This style of long-handled bench shear works great for quickly cutting smaller pieces of thick metal, and it's very affordable. The economy bench shear ships in 2 parts, so we'll show you how to assemble it. Using the 2 bolts that are included, add the bottom of the handle to the slot on top of the shear and thread the first bolt in until it's tight. Thread the second bolt in and tighten both bolts up with a small wrench. After your handle is installed, you have the option to bolt your shear to any spot on your workbench. 4 holes in the base allow you to permanently mount your shear for stability, but it also works just fine unmounted. To use the bench shear, mark your metal and insert it in between the blades. Rest your piece on the bottom blade and line your mark up with the edge. Slowly, pull the handle down and the shear begins to cut on the line. The metal will try to move as you cut, so make sure you hold your metal firmly in place. The shear cuts through the metal effortlessly, and now you have a perfectly straight cut with a nice clean edge. The bench shear also works great for making long exact cuts. This can help while making larger pieces of jewelry like bangle and cuff bracelets. The extra long 24-inch handle helps for cutting thicker metals because it provides you all the leverage you need. The adjustable support rod can assist in holding larger sheets in position during cutting. This allows you to get that perfectly straight edge. When making longer cuts, it's nice to have that additional support for holding your piece. If you're designing a project with several components, the bench shear makes quick work of this. You can cut metal in a fraction of the time, and the results are always beautiful. Additionally, this tool is relatively small, so it fits on almost any jewelry bench. If you're cutting pattern wire, the shear cuts through this just as easy. The wider gallery wire is easy to cut, and you always get that nice square edge. Another great feature of this shear is that it cuts metal rod up to 3/8 of an inch. The hole on the side of the shear is specifically designed for cutting round metal stock. Insert the stock into the shear and pull the handle down. Just like flat stock, the metal rod gets cut to length and it doesn't bend or warp your piece. Using this economy bench shear, cutting and trimming flat and round stock to exact lengths has never been easier.